Look at your glass shower door right now. Is it clear? Can you actually see through it? Or is it covered in a white chalky haze? A foggy film that no glass cleaner removes? Hard water spots that look like they are etched permanently into the glass? Soap scum streaks that come back 2 days after you clean them? You have tried everything. The expensive shower glass cleaner, vinegar sprays, magic erasers, newspaper. The cleaning products that promise a crystal clear streak-free finish and deliver exactly nothing. And every time guests come over, you close the shower curtain in front of the glass door and hope nobody looks. Here is the truth that cleaning services have known for decades. That white haze on your shower glass is not dirt. It is not soap scum. It is not mineral deposits on the surface. It is mineral deposits in the glass surface, chemically bonded to the silica in the glass at a molecular level. And no cleaner on the market removes it, because cleaners work on the surface, not inside the glass. But a $2 kitchen item does remove it, permanently, in 3 minutes. My name is Dr. Lisa, and today, cleaning services lose another customer. Stay until the end, because I am going to show you the one mistake that etches shower glass permanently, making it impossible to restore. If you have already made this mistake, I will show you what you can still do. Let's go. First, let me explain exactly what is happening to your shower glass, because this explanation completely changes how you approach cleaning it. Your shower glass is made of silica, silicon dioxide. Glass is essentially sand that has been melted and cooled into a solid. Every time you shower, hard water hits your glass door. Hard water contains dissolved calcium and magnesium minerals. When the water evaporates, these minerals are left behind on the glass surface. Initially, these mineral deposits sit on top of the glass. In the early stages, regular cleaning removes them easily. But over time, 2 things happen. First, the mineral deposits build up in layers. Each shower adds another microscopic layer of calcium and magnesium. The layers accumulate into a thick, chalky white film. Second, and this is the critical part that nobody talks about, the calcium ions in the mineral deposits react with the silica in the glass surface. They form calcium silicate bonds, a chemical fusion between the mineral and the glass itself. This is called silicate bonding. And once calcium silicate forms, the deposit is no longer sitting on the glass. It is chemically fused into the glass surface. This is why glass cleaners do not work. They dissolve surface deposits. But calcium silicate bonds are much stronger than any cleaning detergent can break. You need an acid strong enough to break a calcium silicate bond, but mild enough not to etch the glass itself. And that acid is sitting in your kitchen right now for $2. So what is this $2 kitchen item? White vinegar. But wait, you have probably tried vinegar on your shower glass before, and maybe it worked partially but not completely. Here is exactly why it did not work fully. Most people spray diluted vinegar on the glass and wipe immediately. This removes surface deposits but cannot penetrate calcium silicate bonds that have formed deep in the glass surface. The method I am going to show you uses a technique called the extended contact method, combined with a physical microabrasion step that breaks the calcium silicate bonds mechanically while the acid attacks them chemically simultaneously. This 2-pronged attack, chemical plus mechanical, removes calcium silicate bonds that vinegar alone or scrubbing alone cannot touch. And the secret physical tool is something you use every day. The second ingredient is baking soda. Together, white vinegar as the acid agent and baking soda as the physical microabrasive. These two $2 kitchen items remove any level of shower glass haze and hard water staining, even deposits that have been building for years. The combination costs $2 total. Professional shower glass restoration services charge $100 to $150 for this exact treatment using commercial products that contain, you guessed it, mild acid and mild abrasive compounds. Let me explain the chemistry so you understand exactly why this method works permanently. Calcium silicate, the compound bonding minerals to your glass, has a specific chemical weakness. It is soluble in acid. Acetic acid, the active compound in white vinegar, reacts with calcium silicate and converts it to calcium acetate. Calcium acetate is water-soluble and washes away completely. The chemical reaction, calcium silicate plus acetic acid, calcium acetate plus silicic acid. Both products of this reaction are water-soluble and wash away, leaving clean glass behind. But here is why acid alone is not always sufficient for old heavy deposits. Over many months and years, calcium silicate builds up in multiple layers. The outer layers protect the inner layers from acid contact. The acid has to work through each layer sequentially. This is where baking soda comes in. Sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, is a mild abrasive with a crystal hardness of approximately 2.5 on the Mohs scale. Glass has a hardness of approximately 5.5, so baking soda crystals can abrade mineral deposits, which are softer than glass, without scratching the glass surface itself. The abrasion physically breaks through the protective outer layers of mineral deposit, exposing fresh calcium silicate to the acetic acid. The acid then reacts and dissolves it. This combination, acid dissolving plus abrasion exposing, removes mineral deposits layer by layer until the glass surface is completely clean. And here's the important detail. Because the acetic acid converts calcium to a water-soluble form, the removed mineral does not redeposit on the glass. It rinses away permanently. This is why the result lasts. You are not just cleaning the glass. You are chemically converting the mineral deposits into a soluble form and removing them permanently. Here is everything you need. All cheap, all already in your home. Item 1, white distilled vinegar, large bottle. Cost $1 to $2. Item 2, baking soda, a few tablespoons. Cost $1, already in your kitchen. Item 3, a spray bottle. Cost $1, or reuse an old one. Item 4, microfiber cloths, 2 or 3. Cost $1 each. Item 5, an old sponge or non-scratch scrub pad for the abrasion step. Item 6, rubber gloves. Protect your hands from extended acid contact. Item 7, a squeegee, optional, for the prevention step at the end. Total cost, $2 to $3 for everything. Probably $0 if you already have all of this. Compared to professional shower glass restoration, $100 to $150 per service. Specialist hard water stain removers, $15 to $30 per bottle, and they still do not work as well as this method. Follow every step in exact sequence. Step 1. Rinse the glass door with warm water. Run warm water over the entire glass surface. This pre-wets the mineral deposits, making them more accessible to the acid. Do not dry the glass. Leave it wet. Step 2. Spray undiluted white vinegar generously over entire glass. Pour undiluted white vinegar into your spray bottle. Full strength, not diluted. Spray the entire glass door surface generously. Every section, top to bottom. Make sure the vinegar is pooling slightly and running down the glass. You want complete coverage. Step 3. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. This is the most important step. Do not touch the glass. Leave the vinegar to sit on the surface for a minimum of 10 minutes. For heavy buildup, 15 minutes. During this time, the acetic acid is attacking the calcium silicate bonds, breaking the calcium away from the silica molecules, converting it to soluble calcium acetate. You may see the white haze beginning to become more visible or slightly different in appearance as the chemical reaction occurs. This is normal and expected. Step 4. Make baking soda paste. Mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda with enough water to make a thick paste, consistency of toothpaste. Step 5. Apply baking soda paste and scrub. Apply the baking soda paste directly onto the vinegar-covered glass surface. Use your sponge or non-scratch scrub pad to scrub the glass in circular motions. Apply moderate pressure. The baking soda crystals are physically abrading through the outer layers of mineral deposit, exposing fresh calcium silicate to the still active acetic acid underneath. The combination of baking soda abrasion and vinegar acid working simultaneously is where the real cleaning power comes from. You will see white residue forming on the glass as you scrub. This is the dissolved mineral being lifted from the glass surface. This is exactly what you want to see. Scrub the entire glass surface systematically, top to bottom, section by section. Pay extra attention to the lower sections of the door and around door seals and frame edges. Mineral deposits accumulate most heavily here. Step 6. Leave the paste on for 5 more minutes. After scrubbing, leave the baking soda and vinegar paste on the glass for another 5 minutes. The continued acid contact dissolves any remaining calcium silicate that the scrubbing exposed. Step 7. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Rinse the entire glass door with warm water. Use a clean cloth to help remove all baking soda and vinegar residue. Dry immediately with a clean microfiber cloth. Use straight vertical strokes to avoid streaking. Step 8. Inspect and repeat if necessary. Look at the glass in good light. Natural light is best for inspecting glass clarity. For mild to moderate mineral buildup, one treatment should produce crystal clear glass. For severe long-standing deposits, you may see significant improvement but not complete removal. Repeat the treatment immediately for a second round. Most glass reaches crystal clear clarity after 2 treatments. Step 9. Apply protection layer. This is the step that prevents hard water deposits from forming again. Apply a thin coat of car wax or Rain-X glass treatment to the dry, clean glass surface. Buff with a clean microfiber cloth. This creates a hydrophobic coating on the glass surface. Water beads up and rolls off instead of sitting and evaporating, leaving minerals behind. With this coating, water spots cannot form. Your glass stays crystal clear with just a daily squeegee after showering. The coating lasts 1 to 3 months. Reapply when water stops beading. Car wax or Rain-X costs $5 to $10. Applied every 2 to 3 months. This is the permanent solution to shower glass mineral deposits. The secret to never having to deep clean your shower glass again. 30 seconds per day. That is all it takes. After every shower, before you step out, use a squeegee to wipe water off the glass door. Start at the top and wipe downward in overlapping strokes. This removes 90% of the water before it can evaporate and leave mineral deposits. A bathroom squeegee costs $3. Combined with the Rain-X or car wax hydrophobic coating, the remaining water beads and rolls off instead of sticking. With these 2 habits, your shower glass will stay crystal clear indefinitely without ever needing a deep clean again. The cleaning service industry does not want you to know this. If your glass stays clean permanently, they never get another call. The one mistake that permanently ruins shower glass. Using steel wool or abrasive scouring pads. Steel wool is significantly harder than glass mineral deposits. It is also harder than the glass surface itself. Steel wool scratches the glass permanently. These scratches scatter light, making the glass permanently hazy in a way that no chemical treatment can reverse. Scratched glass cannot be restored at home. It requires professional glass polishing using diamond polishing compounds, which cost $200 to $500 per door panel. Only use non-scratch scrub pads or microfiber cloths on shower glass. Never steel wool. Never abrasive scouring pads. Second dangerous mistake. Using acid-based commercial bathroom cleaners on glass, longer than the recommended contact time. Products containing hydrochloric acid or phosphoric acid, typically found in heavy-duty limescale removers, can etch glass if left for extended periods. Always follow contact time instructions on commercial acid-based products. White vinegar, acetic acid at 5%, is safe for extended contact on glass without etching. It is the correct acid strength for this application. Here is the financial reality. Professional shower glass restoration services charge $100 to $150 per door panel. Their material cost, $3 to $5 in professional cleaning products. Their time, 20 to 30 minutes per panel. They use a mild acid, typically diluted citric acid or phosphoric acid, and a mild abrasive compound, applied with a scrub pad, rinsed, finished with a hydrophobic glass coating. The exact same process I just showed you, using vinegar and baking soda instead of their branded professional products. The cleaning industry has built an entire service category around a problem that a $2 kitchen item solves. And the shower glass cleaning product companies, who sell $20 and $30 bottles of specialist hard water removers, have made sure that vinegar and baking soda never appears in any of their marketing. Because the moment you know about a $2 solution, their $30 product becomes obsolete. This knowledge has been available in the chemistry of your kitchen for decades, and now you have it. 3 bonus tips before I go. Bonus tip 1. The lemon juice alternative. For a pleasant-smelling alternative to vinegar, use fresh lemon juice. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which is slightly more effective at dissolving calcium silicate than acetic acid at equal concentrations, and it smells wonderful. Cut 2 lemons. Squeeze the juice directly onto the glass surface. Leave for 15 minutes. Scrub with baking soda paste. Rinse. Results are comparable to vinegar, with the bonus of your bathroom smelling like fresh lemons. Bonus tip 2, for severely etched glass. If your glass has been severely neglected and vinegar plus baking soda still leaves some haze, Try cerium oxide paste. Cerium oxide is a mild polishing compound used by glass repair professionals. It is available online for $10 to $15. Applied with a felt polishing pad, it can remove light etching and heavy mineral deposits that acid treatments cannot fully dissolve. Professional glass polishing services charge $200 to $500 to do this. You can do it yourself with a $10 bottle of cerium oxide. Bonus tip 3. Shower glass weekly spray maintenance. Once per week, spray undiluted white vinegar on your shower glass. Leave for 2 minutes. Wipe with a microfiber cloth. Rinse. This weekly spray dissolves any new mineral deposits before they can form calcium silicate bonds. Total time, 2 minutes per week. Total cost, pennies and vinegar. This one habit, combined with daily squeegeeing, means your shower glass will never need deep cleaning again. Let me recap everything we covered today. White vinegar dissolves calcium silicate bonds, the chemical fusion between minerals and glass. Baking soda abrades through the outer layers to expose fresh bonds to the acid. Together, they remove any level of shower glass haze permanently. Spray undiluted vinegar. Wait 15 minutes. Apply baking soda paste. Scrub in circles. Leave 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Apply Rain-X or car wax coating for permanent protection. Daily squeegee after showering. Weekly vinegar spray maintenance. Your glass stays crystal clear forever. Cleaning services charge $150 for this. You just learned it for $2. If this video saved you money, subscribe right now. Every day I expose a cheap fix that cleaning companies and big industry are hiding from you. Last video, I showed you how salt water generates free electricity. Next week, I am going to show you how a $2 strip on any window drops your heating bill by 40%. Energy companies absolutely hate this one. Drop a comment. How foggy is your shower glass right now on a scale of 1 to 10? I reply to every single comment. Thank you for watching Dr. Lisa Survival. See you next video.